Curing cycle initiated.
Spar 3. Alignment certified.
Full tension, ready.
Confirmed clear path to the jig. Proceed.
Alignment locked. Tolerance green.
Torque nominal. Move to next station.
Sealant prep complete, section 4.
Torque set to specification. Move to section D.
Slowly, slowly. Hold. Torque check 3-2 nominal.
Set 0 tolerance.
Surface 0 tolerance.
Check for pinholes.
Bundle 6 alpha confirmed length. Checking routing diagram.
Pull, easy now. Secure at rib 17.
There. H-stab clear for transport.
Internal clearance nominal, section A4.
Coating thickness check, section Bravo.
All clear. Tension check complete.
Clear left. We are passing station 4. Continue movement.
Center line verified. Ready for frame installation.
Torque check nominal.
Move to center line. Five centimeters to go.
Easy on the aft right.
Center pin aligned. Lower 2 centimeters.
Five millimeters to go, hold. Perfect.
Actuator 2 secured. Checking sensor feedback on channel 4.
Confirmed alignment is green. Maintain current speed. Copy that. Speed holding steady.
Torque verified. Frame set to 0 tolerance. Hydraulic line clear to connect.
Pin set.
Pin secured. Drop the alignment pins. Row 15 clear.
Okay.
Move to the ceiling.
Latch integrity clear. Module ready for hoist.
Yes.
Center line verified. Lock in at rib 30.
Bus A check.
Pin integrity confirmed.
Data port connection complete. Testing intercom line. Pin locked. Check plumbing access points. Roller track alignment clear. Section 2 locked.
Rail 4 complete. Torque check verified.
Routing check, D4. Tubing secured.
Sealant clearance check.
Connect. Connection made.
Rack security check. Vertical alignment clear. Duct seal integrity check. Flow rate target confirmed.
Torque set, flight deck side. Port 7 sealed. Final pressure lock check.
Pressure stabilized at Delta 1.0. Holding.
Docking alignment achieved. Zero tolerance confirmed.
Bolt 14 seated. Start manual torque.
Panel Bravo 1, position verified. 0 step. System green, line 4 clear. Double check tag.
Flap movement nominal. 0 deviation.
Interfaces clear. Ready for strut delivery.
Door cycle test complete. 0 binding.
Main bus online. Online.
Pylon target clear. 5 centimeters to go.
Torque verified. Pylon set.
Left forward, slow lift. Steady, steady. Green line pressure check.
Green line perted. Safety pin set. Nose gear downlock pin verified.
Hydraulic lines ready.
Main gear downlock confirmed. Cycle complete.
Module 4C seated. Starting power test.
Display 2 set.
Rudder travel check, clear.
Throttle range clear.
Final mounting secured.
Bottle secured. Line pressure check initiated.
System blue pump secure.
Checking line seal integrity.
Clearance is good on the left side. Bring it in slowly.
Harness check complete. Load rated for lift.
3 feet to docking point. Steady ascent. Mounting point 3 clear. Start torque sequence.
Cowling secured. Seam tolerance checked.
Inlet alignment check. Sealant strip next.
Harness check complete. Thrust command circuit online.
Radar feed secured. Checking azimuth alignment.
RAT hydraulic lines green.
Release mechanism nominal.
Row 15 complete. Final bolt check.
Pivot probe secure. Applied. Safety cover applied. Galley locked. Power main check.
Aisle alignment, 0 deviation. Carpet line set.
Bus 1, check. Hide P3, check.
GPU connected. Power on.
Lighting sequence test, all colors nominal.
Roll common nominal. Control law integrity check complete.
Yeah.
Ignition sequence armed. Clear to spool.
Idle parameters confirmed. Temperature is nominal.
Jig clear.
Chocks in place.
Window line 3.5. 0 tolerance on the edge.
Stencil set. 0 bubbles on the edge.
Tow bar secure.
Bypass pin engaged.
Tug, you are clear of the hangar on the left. Roger, confirmed clear right. Rolling on Charlie. Flight controls checked. Hydraulics set.
Gear bay clear. No fluid leaks reported.
Clipper 49er taxi via Alpha, hold short of runway 27 right. Traffic on final approach.